active ants and busy bees and butterflies. It is so good to see you today. It's Specialist Wednesday, so it's music. And this week, it's really special because we are looking at Earth Day today. What does that mean, Earth Day? It means it's a day where we really try to look at being better and how we can protect our Earth and make sensible decisions about looking after our world. See, this is our amazing world here. Look, and oh my goodness me, I couldn't even see where we are. We are located right there. That's where we are on this big world of ours. So it really is about making sure we're looking after our world. And this is activity number 1 today. We need to find recyclable materials around the house that we can make sounds out of. Let's see what Miss Laura has found. I found a big old water gallon. I found an old milk carton. I found a kitchen roll tube. I found an old can. I also found a glass bottle. Be careful with that one. And I also found a cardboard box, like a paper. Okay, so I have found all these amazing things. And now I'm going to have a little go of tapping them to see what sounds they make. So I'm going to go and get my wooden spoon. Okay, this is my little beater. So you can either tap it that way or that way. It's up to you. So let's have a little look. I'm going to go and tap this one first. That's a good sound. I like that. I'm even going to hold it up. See if I can do tar and TT with it. Tar. Ooh, that's a good sound. I like that. This is my glass bottle. I wonder what sound this makes. Ooh, if I put it down on the ground. That's a good sound too. I like that. Ooh. Now let's see if I can find a smaller plastic. This is a milk carton. What sound does this make? Ooh. And what about this? What about my kitchen roll? What sound does this make? Ooh, that's much softer. That's much softer. What about this sound, the can? Ooh, I'm breaking it. Oh yeah, that's much softer as well. Gonna hit it at the top. Okay, hit it at the bottom. Okay, hit it at the side. But you don't want to break it. Okay, and then what about this? This is my old cardboard box, my cereal box. Oh, so let's play them all together and see which one you think can be the loudest. That's pretty loud. That's pretty loud. That's okay. That's quite loud. Oh no, that's soft. That's a soft sound. That's a softer sound. That's quite a loud sound. So I would say that this is definitely the loudest. So is the glass. So is my cereal box. Maybe my cereal box and my milk is about the same. My milk. This is the softest. So that's going to go that side. Yeah, and that's going to go next to my softer. So I've got my loudest, then my second one, then my third one, then my fourth one, then my fifth one, and then my sixth one. Woo. Okay, I've got an orchestra of recyclable materials, and I put them into loudest and softest. Can you do that? Have a look, see what you can find around the house, and see what you can do by tapping it away to make some recyclable sounds. Good luck. That's the end of activity number 1.